Because you are getting bored by reading financial inclusion, everybody is talking about it here and there. The new important one is digital financial inclusion. And in the exam, the question comes, how digital financial inclusion is different? What are the benefits? What are the challenges? What India has done on this side? I'm sure by now you must have understood financial inclusion very, very well. Recently, there has been a shift in the financial inclusion strategy from every household to every adult. That is happening only by use of technology. Emphasis on direct benefits transfer to these accounts, promising digital payments using RuPay card, UPI. RBI launched UPI 123 Pay so that UPI payment can be made on the feature phone. And there is UPI Lite, in which you can do transactions without PIN. Digital financial inclusion is basically use of the technology in the financial inclusion, arranging low-cost digital means to reach currently financially excluded and underserved citizens with a range of formal financial services suited to their needs. Here, the digital payment infrastructure created by Aadhaar, eKYC, Aadhaar-enabled payment system, UPI, Bharat, QR, DigiLocker, eSign, account aggregator, open network for digital commerce have played big role. This digital public infrastructure is churning the wheel of the economy. UPI, I'm sure every one of us has used this and are using on day-to-day basis. Every one of us is having Aadhaar. This digital public infrastructure is a great enabler in the development using mobile services, common service center. 5.7 lakh such centers are functional today. DigiLockers used by closer to 30 crore people and 35.5 kilometer optical fiber cable. All these enabling millions of people in formal and vast informal economy to accept payments, settle invoices, transfer funds anywhere in the country just by few tap on your mobile. Even today, the other countries are looking forward for the technology which has been created in India. Very low cost and widely used. IMF says increase in digital financial inclusion in payment leads to 2.2% rise in the average economic growth. In India, the creation of Payments Bank, because Payments Bank is supposed to use technology for making remittances, fund transfer easy, effective, secure. Creation of Payment Bank has been in this direction, and NPCI has recently played very, very important role in popularizing, in building platform like UPI. If this video is useful for you, please like it right away. Please subscribe to the channel and remember, we are here for 50% faster preparation.